how to add admins to Facebook page. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you exactly how you guys can quickly add admins to your Facebook page. So it's going to be really easy. You guys can follow the same thing over on your computer as well. So simply open up the Facebook app or facebook.com on your computer, and then once you have it opened up, now simply click on the top right where you see these three lines. It's going to be the same thing on computer as well. After that, you are going to see all the pages that you have linked. So click on the page that you want to add admins in, and once that page loads up, now from over here you can just simply click on edit page, and then after that simply click on settings, and then after that simply click on page roles, and then from over here you can just simply add a person to the page. So I'm gonna basically type in my password over here, and once I put in my password, I can just simply add all of my friends over here if I want to, and I can just simply assign them roles by simply clicking on their profiles. So that is how easy it is to simply add an admin or multiple admins on Facebook in just a few minutes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.